Welcome to the Industrial Banana Complex. Today, we follow the entire journey from tissue culture seedlings and plantation growth.
Everything begins with healthy genetics, disciplined cultivation, and a perfectly synchronized connection between the plantation and the factory.
The first stage is all about building a stable biological foundation. The banana
Export bananas begin with uniform, disease-free, tissue-cultured seedlings. Traceable nursery lots are the first guarantee of consistency across the entire supply chain.
Plant spacing must be exact. Light distribution, airflow, disease.
Water and nutrients are delivered with measured control. At this stage, even small deviations can create
Every block is tracked by real field data, stem size, and nutrient response and conditioning.
This is pruning for strength and efficiency. By controlling excess shoots and dead foliage, the plant channels more energy into the bunch that will eventually enter the factory.
Once the bunch emerges, it is protected from insects, weather, and abrasion. This is where the fruit begins its visible growth into export-grade size and shape. During the size development stage, the goal is stability and uniformity. Once the bunch reaches the correct physiological maturity, harvest can begin.
Bananas must be harvested at the right physiological age. Too young, and they will not travel well. Too old, and they become vulnerable through.
Before cutting, the protective cover is removed carefully to prevent any surface damage. At this point, the fruit is extremely vulnerable to bruising.
Harvesting a full bunch takes coordination.
Fresh latex from the cut stalk is a sign of living freshness. From this moment on, the post-harvest chain has to move quickly and carefully. Here, the fruit enters a controlled industrial environment. Every surface, every movement, and every contact point is designed to protect export quality. At intake, the system records both volume and traceability. From this point forward, each lot remains linked to its source through only bunches in good condition move forward. Intake inspection is the first serious quality barrier protecting the entire production run.
This is the beginning of the core transformation stage. Full bunches are now separated into individual hands.
Each hand is separated with a decisive cut. The goal is to keep the cluster uniform while protecting the peel from even the slightest abrasion. The water cushion absorbs impact and immediately begins removing latex, dust, and field residue.
But too little slows the line and reduces cleaning efficiency.
Even the smallest visual details are corrected here. Clean crown finishing and removal of dried floral tissue improve both presentation and packing consistency.
After cushion washing, the fruit goes through a controlled spray cleaning stage to remove remaining latex and surface contamination before the next treatment step.
Post-harvest treatment chemistry must stay inside strict limits. Correct concentration helps reduce fungal risk while remaining fully suitable for export fruit. Now that the surface is clean and stabilized, the fruit is ready for grading. From here, every hand will be assessed for export suitability.
This is the grading zone. Here, size, hand count, uniformity, and surface condition determine the exact path each banana hand will take.
The vision system scans each hand for color consistency, shape, and visible surface defects, all in perfect synchronization with line speed. Weight class matters because final packing must be consistent. Dynamic weighing helps assign each hand to the correct export configuration.
Any hand that does not meet has not periodically is separated immediately.
Once graded, the fruit is grouped by size class. This organization is critical for building stable, attractive, and uniform export cartons. Even with high automation, skilled operators still guide the system. Real fruit varies, and the line must be tuned continuously to match actual conditions. Before packing, the fruit must reach a stable surface dryness. Excess moisture can affect cartons, labels, and cold storage performance.
With grading complete, the bananas are ready for final preparation and export packing under strict clean handling conditions.
The fruit must be dry on the surface before entering the carton. This clean airflow removes excess moisture.
This final crown adjustment improves both appearance and carton fit. At industrial scale, even a few millimeters matter. An export carton is more than packaging. It is a protective system designed to preserve fruit condition and support the cold chain. How the fruit is placed inside the carton directly affects bruise rates during transport. Every hand is oriented to work with its natural curve, not against it. Since these cushioning materials absorb vibration from trucks, forklifts, pallet movement, and long cold chain travel. Small automation in the packing zone helps maintain high throughput and carton consistency. The lid closes to lock the internal structure before final sealing. And refrigerated transport.
Random end-of-line inspection confirms that the upstream packing process is holding its standards. If anything drifts, the line can leak.
Before shipment, the product enters a pre-cooling environment that prepares it for refrigerated transport. Temperature control here is critical to preserving downstream quality.
Pallet stacking patterns are engineered for stability. Every layer must balance weight, protect the cartons, and stay secure under real warehouse and transport forces. Stretch wrapping binds the entire pallet into a single stable shipping unit, reducing movement during lifting, braking, turning, and road vibration. Once wrapped, the pallet moves into finished goods handling. From here, temperature, timing, and stability become the focus until loading is complete.
This finished goods warehouse is the final holding point before shipment. Every pallet here has passed quality control.
The final little logistics step is loading into a refrigerated container.
From tissue-cultured seedlings to export pallets, every step depends on accuracy, hygiene, timing, and total coordination across the plantation and factory.
And that's how bananas are made. Off the bio, from raw materials to precision perfection.
For this episode. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. We hope this gave you a deeper look at how real quality is made and quality and why trust matters.